Welcome to the EdbMails Exchange to PST export, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails provides a robust solution for exporting Exchange mailboxes to PST files, making it an essential tool for organizations looking to back up or archive their email data. The software simplifies the process by allowing users to create a one-to-one copy of their mailbox data, ensuring that no items are omitted during the export. EdbMails offers advanced filtering options, enabling users to include or exclude specific emails based on criteria such as date, subject, and sender. This granularity allows for a more tailored export process, ensuring that only relevant data is migrated to the PST file. EdbMails stands out as an efficient and reliable tool for exporting Exchange mailboxes to PST. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to export Exchange mailboxes to PST files. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Live Exchange Migration. Select Live Exchange to PST Export. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Browse. Select the location to store exported data. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the source Exchange server details. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to export from the source Exchange server. To export Exchange mailboxes to PST, Microsoft Outlook must be installed on your computer with a profile. Click Next to continue. Click Start Export. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click View Logs button to get export operation report. That's it. For a hassle-free Exchange to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.